How to see previously installed apps in Google Play Store. Let's not waste any more time and head right to the video. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now first, you click on the Play Store app, and if you want to check whichever previously installed apps you had and maybe you forgot, you deleted them and you don't remember their name, whatever your reasons might be, once you open this app, you have to click on the top right on your profile icon and then click on manage apps and devices. Here you'll find multiple options of updates available and all of it. You don't have to choose any of it. You have to click on manage. Once you click on manage, here you'll find multiple options again, but you have to click on this device and you have to click on not installed. And here it is, the apps that you previously installed but are not there in your phone anymore because you uninstalled it. So this is how you see previously installed apps in Google Play Store. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.